Okay, so this is a bit of a different one. Taking a break for a while, and now I'm going to be redoing the room behind me. This is why I've been taking so long on getting things going. I'm also kind of sick. I don't know if you can hear the difference between my nose blocked and not, but my audio might sound a bit short at the moment, but we're gonna try and make it work. So yeah. Cool, check, 1, 2. Alright, so one more thing that I need to do is I need to fix that light over there. So it is currently on at the moment, the two over there, but something happened to this one. So there's still power going to it. As you can see, there's still power going to it because it still goes blue like these ones. So it's supposed to look like that, but the centerpiece doesn't seem to work. So I need to get into the ceiling and do that, which I don't feel like doing. And then another shelf is gonna go on the wall over here. So this wall's gonna be a different color. This is how it looks now. It's all grey and dark, it seems. I don't know, can't tell. But yeah, it's gonna look cool. It's gonna look cool. These panels are gonna be, the acoustic panels that were on the wall are gonna be white. So white and grey complements well enough. Maybe. Let's see how it goes. And then this wall over here is going to be black with a pink, purple. I think it's purple. Is it pink or purple?
Fuchsia.
Fuchsia. It's going to be fuchsia. I don't know. I don't know how it looks, but anyways, it's pink to me or purple. But it's going to be fuchsia. Okay, so it's been a minute, right? This has not taken that long. I just decided to go on a hiatus for what? Who knows what reason. Lots of things has happened throughout the year, and then yeah, got a new job, but like started it a while back, and I'm busy with a lot of side projects as well, one including a car and something for you guys that hopefully I can mention soon. when it gets going. So maybe in the new year we'll hear about it, and then hopefully you guys see more of me.